Alright everyone, now that we've watched a couple videos and we know a little bit more about PMDAS, we are going to try to solve these expressions. So the first thing I'm going to do is write these down. So I know that I have 3 times 4 inside parentheses plus 3 times 2. And now that I've rewritten my problem, I am going to make sure that I follow the steps, and the way that I like to do that is by writing my PEMDAS to the side so I can check and make sure I'm going in the right order. I always put my arrow across too. Remind myself that if it's multiplication or division, I go left to right in the problem. Same with addition and subtraction, I go left to right, however they show up in the problem. So let's start at the top. Do we have parentheses? Yes. So I know that is going to be what I solve first. 3 times 4 is going to give me 12, and I need to bring everything else down. So I'm going to add 3 times 2, and I am finished with that step. Now I need to think about addition or multiplication. So let's look back at our order. What should I do first? There are no more parentheses. We got that taken care of. Is there multiplication or division? Yes, we have multiplication right here. So that tells me I'm going to solve my multiplication first. 3 times 2 is 6. And I bring everything else down every single time. And now I'm done by multiplication. I need to go into my final step, addition. 12 plus 6 is going to give me 18. So for our last problem that we were looking at, we know that our answer should have been 18 because we now know that we're supposed to do parentheses, multiplication, and then addition. For our next problem, I'm going to write it down again, copying it exactly as it says. Now that I've rewritten my problem, and I'm going to kind of separate these so we know it's a different problem, I can start to solve it again. And every time I'm going to write my PMDAS to the side to remind me what order I need to solve in. So first things first, are there parentheses? Yes. So I'm going to solve these additions first. So I see 3 plus 1 plus 2. Well, I know 3 plus 1 is 4. And if I have 4 plus 2, that gives me 6. So thankfully we have only addition, so we don't have to worry about what order it goes in. We can add however way we wanted to. So 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And I always remember to bring everything else down, cross out when I'm done. Now I have 5 times 6. That's the only thing left. So I'm going to solve, and that gives me 30. 5 times 6 is 30, and we are done. Expressions can look scary when you are new to them, but I promise with more practice, they get easier and easier. Always just make sure that you are writing down PEMDAS to the side. You are making your rainbows, bringing down what you get, and always bringing down the parts of the equation or the expression that you did not use. When you will finally get your answer, make sure you circle it so you know what the answer is. Thank y'all.